Hey guys, Ro here. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today to let you guys know about a new feature that Cricut is getting ready to release, the ability to let us do print and cut at a much larger scale. So they have finally listened to the community, which is a great and wonderful thing. So this feature will finally let us do what we have been hoping and praying for, which in my opinion will let us use much more of our pages and reduce waste for us. So at the moment it is on beta phase, but all you have to do right now is go to the hamburger, these three little lines at the top of your canvas page, and go to settings. And most of us will be on live, so you just switch over to beta, which what it'll do is automatically restart your design studio or design space. I apologize. You'll hit done and that'll be it. So I just have this image. I've blown it up so that it'll have an error for me automatically, and I've flattened it so it'll automatically be set for print and cut for me. Once you go in here, I've gone to settings and I've intentionally set mine to a much larger option. So these are all the options that they've set for us to be able to select from. My printers actually at the moment do not print at these large scales, but that's perfectly okay. But look at all these options that you guys can now print from. So if you want to do sublimation now, these are some of the options that you can currently print from. These are awesome. All right, so I'm going to hit done for me. And then, so there here, when you click on here, the red arrow or exclamation mark, these are what is going to tell you that this is the error, that my image for the option that I've selected is too big for me. Also, if you notice, I can go from here instead of going back to where I was currently at to do the settings from here. So I'm gonna go back to the red exclamation, and I can automatically resize my image to here from right here, and then click, bam. Now, I think this is one of the best features that Design Space has currently done. Before this has happened, I've actually not done print and cut from Cricut. I've actually been using Silhouette to do my printing cuts because honestly, I've thought that it's been wasting too much of my materials. But with this, it is really a game changer for Cricut. So let's resize this again. I'm gonna do the arrow, and then we're gonna change this, and we're gonna do another paper size. We're gonna hit done again, and then we're going to make it do my auto resize for me, just so you guys can see this in action again. And look at that. This is amazing for Cricut. So go ahead and give it a try. Hit me up in the comments. Tell me what you guys think. And if you guys have used Silhouette Design Studio for your printing cut, and any experiences that you guys have had in the past with the print and cut features with Cricut Design Space. All right. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and talk to you guys later in the comments. Bye.